So ducks are feeding on climber. I will show you now preening process of a hen. Just wait. Yeah, here we have preening of a hen. So this is a dusting process actually. Dusting nothing but they will arrange their feathers in proper order. They are removing the dirt particles from their body. Dusting. This process is known as dusting. Hello, hens and rooster. You are doing something. Okay. So here that duck is preening its feathers. Yes, they are adjusting. Drinking the water also. So one side ducks species, one more side hen species. Hello rooster, how do you do? How are you? So dear everybody, observe the morphological features of a hen rooster. Male one. This is a female one. Male and female. Yeah. So they are making sound. Yes, dusting. The process is called dusting. Okay. Enjoy. Thank you.